Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Besani Tori, that is rich gourds curry with gram flour. Tori, or Torayi, is one of the most cultivated and popular vegetables not only in India, but throughout the world. It is very healthy vegetable and is literally a treasure of so many health-oriented and essential minerals and vitamins. It may be cooked using many different recipes according to local or individual choices and preferences. We are cooking it today in Punjabi style with a little twist in recipe. We are using besan, that is gram flour also in this recipe, which will not only enhance the flavor and taste, but also add more health benefits as well. You also cook it using this recipe next time you are going to cook it. Everyone is bound to love it for sure. We are using 500 gram fresh rich gourd. This quantity will be sufficient to serve 6 people. Use a sharp knife to peel all rich gourds. Just scratch the outer thin skin. Don't remove thick layer. This upper thick skin has lots and lots of vitamins and other nutrients. Just scratch to remove very thin layers so as to prevent loss of health benefits of this fabulous vegetable. Removal of uppermost thin layer of skin is done just to remove any unwanted hazards from it. Peel all gourds, then wash all thoroughly under running water. Cut thoroughly washed rich gourds into small chunks. Thickness of chunks should neither be too thick nor too thin. It should be around 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Slit the thicker portion of rich gourds into halves lengthwise first and then cut into smaller chunks. Cut all gourds into small chunks, then keep aside for a while. Few other veggie ingredients are required other than rich gourds. We have taken 2 medium-size onions, 5 small-size tomatoes. You may use 2 large or 3 to 4 medium or 5 to 6 small-size tomatoes as per availability. 1 inch long piece of fresh adrak, that is fresh ginger root, and 1 fresh green chili. Using green chili is absolutely optional and you may avoid it if don't want or cooking for children. Peel and chop onions and ginger root. Puree tomatoes and cut green chili into 2 halves lengthwise. We are not showing this process as it is a routine. Put your pressure cooker over medium heat with 2 tablespoons ghee or cooking oil in it. We are using refined cooking oil, but you may use ghee as well, and that is going to add additional flavor and taste into dish for sure. Reduce heat to medium-low and add a pinch or to liking hing, that is asafoetida, into ghee or oil. Also add 1 teaspoon jeera, 1/2 teaspoon haldi, that is ground turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, 1/4 to 1/3 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. We are adding less seasonings at this time and shall more at later stage. Stir to mix all spices well with oil, then add rich gourd chunks into cooker. Increase heat to medium-high. Stir well using a spatula or large spoon, that is couch heat, to coat all chunks well and evenly with spiced ghee or oil. Close the cooker with its lid and lock it. Cook at medium-high heat until cooker whistles, then reduce heat to low. Shift cooker onto side stove over low heat and leave for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. In the meanwhile, put a wok on this stove over medium-low heat. Add 2 tablespoons besan, that is gram flour, into wok. Stir and roast gram flour. Roast at medium-low heat while stirring and scratching the bottom continuously using a wooden or steel spatula. Scratching continuously is a must while roasting gram flour so that it doesn't stick to bottom and to prevent burning of it. Roast gram flour until fragrant and turns a bit darker in color. Remove roasted gram flour from wok onto a plate and keep aside for a while. Now clean the wok and put it on medium heat with 2 or 3 tablespoon ghee or oil in it. Add 1/2 teaspoon jeera, that is whole cumin, into oil. Add peeled and chopped 2 medium-size onions into it after cumin starts to crackle. Stir onion well and saute for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Saute while stirring occasionally until onion turns nicely brown in color. Now add peeled and grated or finely chopped 1-inch long piece of fresh ginger root. You may add finely chopped or minced lehsoon, that is garlic, also at this stage along with ginger root if you like to add. We are not adding it because we usually don't add garlic into vegetarian dishes to retain original flavors and tastes of vegetables. Stir to mix all and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add besan, that is roasted gram flour, into onion mixture. Stir to mix well. Keep on scratching the bottom of wok continuously to prevent sticking and burning of gram flour. Cook while stirring and scratching wok until grease is released again from onion mixture. Now add pureed 3 medium or 5 to 6 small tomatoes into it. Cook while stirring occasionally for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Cook until rawness of tomatoes is gone and excessive water evaporates. Add 1/2 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, or to taste red chili powder, 1.5 to 2 teaspoon dhaniya powder, that is ground coriander seeds, and salt to taste. Keep remembered that we have already added some salt and spices into rich gourds while cooking in pressure cooker. Stir to mix all well and cook for another minute. Now add 1 fresh green chili, slit into 2 halves lengthwise if using, stir, and cook for 1 more minute. Cook and stir until grease is released again from masala mixture. Finally pour cooked rich gourds from cooker along with their water into wok. Increase heat to medium-high and stir well to mix. Cook while stirring occasionally at medium-high heat until all of excessive water evaporates. Reduce heat to medium again. Cook at medium heat while stirring occasionally until grease is again released. Taste and adjust the seasonings. Add whatever is required to your taste and liking. Stir to mix. Then add 1/2 teaspoon or to taste garam masala, that is ground mixture of Indian spices. Finally add 1 or 2 tablespoon of chopped fresh hara dhaniya, that is fresh cilantro or green coriander. Stir to mix and cook for final 1 or 2 minutes. Delicious rich gourds curry with gram flour, that is Besani Tori, is ready. Turn off the heat and transfer into serving bowl. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander and serve warm accompanied with naan, chapati, parantha, or rice. Enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click on the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback means a lot to us. If watching video for the first time on our channel, then click on our photo on screen or red subscribe button below to subscribe. Also click on the bell button besides it to activate automatic notifications of our all new videos. Stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching.